Namaste everyone, this is Bhavani from nurture5. This is our farm. So first time we are doing a live video and we are making herbal oil, multi-purpose oil, herbal hair oil. This is how we are making in the farm. This is a coconut oil. And we have a multi-layer farm, permaculture farm, and this is a coconut. And whatever we get the harvest, then we'll let them fall on the ground, the coconuts. Then we'll leave it for 6 months. Then we make the oil, dry it, make oil. So this is the oil. These are the ingredients, all the ingredients. And this is herbal tulsi and neem oil and curry leaves, hibiscus leaves, and this is the vetiver. And he is the visitor to the farm, so he is learning.
Myself, I'm Rakesh. We came today to visit the farm. Yeah, first time we are also experiencing the same how to prepare our hair oil. So these are the ingredients. Madam going to say about some pots. How is beneficial to our hair?
Yeah. So vetiver, I'll show you the plant later. So these are the roots from the grass family. It's called vetiver, and it's useful for the soil erosion and nursing plant for fruit trees, and it gives the nutrients to the other trees. So it can be used as a companion planting and then be the cover crop. And this is henna leaves, and these are moringa leaves, and that's a castor leaf, and on top of it a dried amla and rose petals. And this is kachuralu, it's called. It's a Sanskrit name. Lily, that's the name of it. Ginger lily. This is also root. It looks like a turmeric, but it's a small leaves, and we can use it as a ground cover. These are used as for perfume also and hair oil, and you could feel the fragrance. You can try it out.
Yes, we are getting.
And the roots also, you can smell it.
So basically we use for both, for only for scented purpose.
Yeah, fragrance.
Fragrance purpose.
Mostly.
Natural fragrance.
Yes. People make mats also out of this vetiver. Leaves. So they use it for joint pains.
Okay.
So this oil you can use it for joint pains, any muscle pains, and if you have a severe headache you could use. And you can use it for like a dry skin in winters especially, and for the hair of course, if you have the hair oil. So these are the different advantages you get. How much? Just 100 ml. You can it lasts for, depends on your usage and your family, and it lasts for a year also, because these ingredients we are boiling it and infusing it, so it lasts for a year. You can still use it. So it's a multi-purpose oil. You try it out and see and let us know the feedback. Thank you.